The Redmi Turbo 5 Max is an upcoming smartphone expected to launch in early 2026, designed to deliver exceptional performance and battery life at a competitive price. The phone is rumored to feature a massive 9,000 mAh battery with 100W fast charging, ensuring multi-day usage even under heavy workloads. It is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500's chipset, providing smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven applications. The device will likely sport a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate for vibrant and fluid visuals, complemented by a capable rear camera system with a high-resolution main sensor for sharp photos and videos. Modern connectivity options like 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth will keep users seamlessly connected, while the phone will run Xiaomi's HyperOS based on Android 15. Offering a refined and feature-rich software experience. With its combination of enormous battery, robust performance, and high-end features, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max is shaping up to be one of the most compelling smartphones of early 2026.